friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today's video is going to be a first impressions with the new Sugarpill Anniversary collection. I know I'm a little late on this train. It took a little while for the package to get to me, but it's finally here. I'm so thankful they sent it to me, and I just can't wait to talk about these products with you. Here's the package they sent me. I don't usually show the packaging itself, but like, this is so cool. And then everything is just hanging out inside. It's so beautiful. There was a really cool note with it just explaining kind of Sugarpill's like story, because this is their 10th anniversary, and they've just, I don't know, it's really cool seeing kind of how they've progressed over the years. It's just such a cool thing. I get so excited when indie brands get to grow. So yeah, this collection includes a new capsule palette. It includes 5 loose shadows, 3 liquid lipsticks, and 3 glosses. I'm very excited about it. I love the capsule palette so far. I think they're all very fun. They're very inspiring for me. They get my creative juices flowing. I'm excited to see more, and I'm just excited about it being their anniversary. I mean, I know their anniversary passed at this point, but they just hit their 10 years, and that's just such a cool accomplishment. Before we hop into the video itself, this choker is from the brand Shop Sun & Co. You can use my affiliate code BEAUTBEAN for 10% off. This wig is a Charisma brand wig. Check my FAQ in the description box if you need spelling, and this is a CC brand beanie. As usual with these first impressions videos, this is not a review, it's just a first impression. It's my first and only time using this collection. I do plan on at some point doing an Instagram video with the palette. I will include this collection in my next new makeup releases PR roundup review video. Let me know if you guys want to see a 2 looks 1 palette. If it has enough interest, maybe I'll do that as well. Just depends on what you want to see, but there will for sure be an Instagram video, and I will be testing this out just on my own time as well. All right, with all that being said, let's just hop into the video and chat about the products and then get into the tutorial. All right, first things first, let's talk about these loose shadows because they're all so pretty. I cannot get enough of it. I'll insert swatches of these colors after I kind of talk about what they are, but the first one is Fever Dream. It's kind of a peachy, orangey kind of situation. It's so pretty and sparkly. Next is Flora. It's for sure one of my favorites out of all 5 of these. It's just the coolest, like metallic, electric, greenish kind of duochrome situation. It's so beautiful. I cannot get enough. Mystic is the one I have on right now. It's such a pretty, like purpley bluish duochrome. Again, so sparkly, so pretty. Solar is this really cool, vibrant red. It's not quite as like glitzy sparkly. It's more of a metallic, but it's still so intense and beautiful. And Trance is this really pretty kind of deep, plummy, blackberry, sparkly. It's very deep and mysterious. I love this one as well. So just laid out for the swatches, we have Fever Dream, Flora, Mystic, Solar, and Trance. They are just so intense and lovely. I love Sugarpill's loose shadow formula. It can be messy to work with, but it's so beautiful and vibrant on the eyes. It is unreal. Let's talk about the lip products next, and then we'll move into the palette. For the liquid lipsticks, we have Clockwork, Heartstrings, and Nocturne. These are a metallic liquid lipstick formula. I'm not the biggest metallic lip person, but once in a while I can get down with it. And I do like Sugarpill's formula, so I'm sure I will give these a shot at some point. Clockwork is this really pretty kind of, again, peachy, orangey kind of color. It's actually pretty cute. I think this would be really fun in the spring and summer. Heartstrings is a bright pink. Like, this is pink. I don't wear a color like this too often, but maybe at some point I'll bust this out. I feel like this could actually be really fun with a really dark, intense black smoky eye. Be a really cool pop of color. Maybe I'll do something like that at some point. And then Nocturne is this really pretty kind of purpley bluish kind of situation. Definitely more blue than purple, but it has more of that like violet-y base to it. It's really cute. I'm so excited about the glosses. They are so stinking cute. We have Chrysalis, Purity, and Neptune. These names are so cute. And I just love Sugarpill's gloss formula, and in particular their older glosses, Flicker and Bloom, are some of my favorites. They're very slippy and comfortable. These are that same slippy texture that I love. I'm so obsessed. Chrysalis is this really cute pinky color. These all have a sheerness to it, lots of sparkle, but they don't feel gritty. I'm really into this pink tone. It's not like so hot pink on the lips, but it's gonna give a really cute pink kind of twinkle. Purity is the one I have on right now. It's mostly clear with that really cute baby pink shift through it. I'm very into this one. This is my favorite of the 3, I think, as of right now. And Neptune is the cutest blue. I actually really get down with the blue gloss. Bloom has a lot of blue in it. There's a blue gloss from Kaleidos Makeup that I really like. I can get down with the sheer blue gloss. I feel like it can actually complement a cool toned look very nicely. I think it's very fun. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the Anniversary Capsule Palette. This is the 4th capsule palette they've done. This one has the gold packaging, and I actually really like it. I think it's cute. I do prefer the black border of the 3rd palette, the black edition palette. because I just thought it looked cooler, but I actually kind of like the white and gold on this. It's very classy. This is what the inside looks like. As usual, it includes a blush. That's what the biggest pink shade is here in the middle. We have 4 large pans of shimmer and we have 5 small pans of matte. I think the colors in here are actually really cute. I mentioned this later on in the tutorial, but I thought it was like not the most exciting in pictures. Like I thought it was cute, but it definitely wasn't going to be my favorite based on pictures. In person, I do think this is a lot cuter and it's very, very springy. I think I'm going to really like this come springtime. I'm not overly seasonal with my makeup, like I'll wear whatever whenever, but I do feel pulled towards certain colors certain times of the year, and I definitely can see myself being pulled towards it, especially because of these greens. This blush is really cute. Overall, I like the colors in here. I did look at all of my other palettes next to this one. I don't really see any exact dupes. There are similarities, like they kind of all have a purple. I'm pretty sure they all have a purple. They pretty much all have a blue and a green, but they're all different tones, so take that for what you will. I'm not saying you have to get this because it's so different, but I personally don't think there's any exact dupes between the palettes, which is cool. This would have been kind of sad for me if this was all repeats because I do have the other 3. But I'm excited about this one. I'm excited to play with it with you guys. Again, like I mentioned, I will do an Instagram video at some point. I will include this whole collection in my next new makeup releases roundup review video, probably coming up soon in the next week or so. But let me know if you guys have a lot of interest in this palette. Maybe I'll do a 2 looks as well. But yeah, that is the overlay of the collection. I'm very excited about it. I'm excited to see more lip glosses and honestly some more loose shadows. It's been a while since we've gotten new loose shadows from them. And the packaging in particular on the loose shadows has this really cool kind of shiny aspect to the cap, and I just really like it. Anyways, let's just hop in. I'm gonna play with as many products as I could fit on my face today, and then we'll chat some more about my thoughts so far at the end of the video. Hello, good morning. What is today? December 30th. We're almost out of this year. I'm ready for 2021 to just go ahead and start. I hate the limbo week between Christmas and New Year's. It drives me nuts. But it's 9 a.m. I'm getting ready for work, and I really wanted to play with this collection today. I did already use the blush in the palette on my face today, and I actually used the green eyeshadow in the palette as my highlight. And I think it's actually really cool. I just wanted to feel like an alien today, I guess. I don't know what to tell you. But I think the blush is really pretty. I like it. It's very just warm pink. It's cute. I like it. I wouldn't even call it too warm of a pink. I feel like it's just a true neutral pink. I like it though. It's cute. You might hear world noises. It feels lovely outside today, so I have my window open. Let's go ahead and prime. We're going to play with the palette and one of the single eyeshadows and probably one of the glosses. The glosses are definitely like exciting me, so I definitely want to play with one of those today. Just going to blend this across my lid. I don't know why I'm priming both eyes. I only ever do one at a time. Oh well, it is what it is. All right, I want to start with this DTLA shade right there. This is a Build and Blend fluffy brush from MOTD Cosmetics. Just going to take some of that. I just want to start fluffing this through my crease. I think we're doing a half cut crease today. I think that'll just be the prettiest way to showcase this loose shadow that I'm really excited about, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh, I like this color. It's kind of like a greigey lavender situation. It's really pretty and unique. I don't see this color a whole lot in palettes. How are you doing? Enough about me. How are you? I hope you're having a good start to the year. I know this is going up like early in 2021. So I hope your year's off to a good start. Did you do anything special at home to ring in the new year? I go to sleep so early. I'm such an old lady. I don't know if I'll make it till midnight. I always try, but it's never a guarantee. I like that color. It's very just greigey lavender. It's cute. All right. I want to take this Pill Kitty shade, this purple here. I'm going to take that on this Colourpop brush. It's an E9. It's like a pencil brush, like a larger pencil brush. And I want to pack this in the outer corner and start working it through the crease. I'm going to take it on the lower lash line as well. And I'm going to use a different color to smoke it out on the lower lash. I had like a loose vision with this look. I knew I wanted to play with this purple that I'm playing with right now. And I knew that I wanted to play with the loose shadow that I'm going to play with in a minute. But mostly just wanted to play with everything. I feel like this palette is prettier in person than I thought it was going to be. I didn't think it'd be ugly, but the pictures weren't like the most inspiring to me. It didn't grab my attention as much as the first 3 capsules, but I actually think it's quite lovely in person. And I like that there's some different tones in here, like that greigey purpley color. It's cute. I'm taking more of that first shade on that fluffy brush just to work along the edges here. I'm holding the end of my brush so that I have light pressure. so that everything can blend nice and softly. And for the lower lash line, I actually want to take the blue called After Party 2020. I haven't looked at these shade names yet. These are kind of cute. I'm going to take this Colourpop E22 brush, just a teeny bit of this, and I'm going to smoke it out underneath that purple. I think a bluey purpley lower lash line will be cute. Just add a nice little range of colors here. I'm putting extra emphasis in this outer corner and just really smoking it down and out. I really like that kind of sultry, smoky outer corner. I think it's pretty. I always love the way the shadows in the capsule palettes perform. They're always so just soft and blendable. I like it. I do want to build up the intensity of the purple in my crease just a little bit more. And then I think we'll move on to that loose shadow, which I'm so excited to use. All right, Mystic. I'm so excited to play with this one. This one and Flora have my heart skipping all the beats. I'm so excited to play with that one as well. I'm taking a flat brush. This one's quite large, but I have a decent amount of surface area to cover, so it's fine, but it is flat, which is the most important to me. This is an E24 from Colourpop. I'm gonna take my NYX Glitter Primer, which I use for every shimmer, but especially loose shadows. It helps everything just stick down and stay nice and precise. So I'm just gonna smack that glitter primer across the lid, and I'm just gonna kind of follow my eyeball shape. I like to go just above my natural crease with this. It's just what I found works best for my eye. All right, dipping right in with that same sticky brush. Oh yes, that's so pretty. I'm probably gonna get fallout from this shade, but it's okay, it'll be worth it. So I'm just gonna take that right up against that cut that I kind of put in-ish with the glitter glue. Oh my gosh, this is such a pretty loose shadow, I can't take it. It's just so glitzy and pretty. And I'm just kind of tapping it where the shadow started to deepen up in the outer corner. And now I'm gonna take the little brush I had with the purple matte, no additional product, and I'm just lightly scooting right where they meet so that it can blend from matte to shimmer nicely. I think that went really well. That is so pretty, oh my goodness. I definitely got a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. I'll just pounce it off, not a big deal. I just realized the blush is called Valentine, that's adorable. And then Oaklandish, the light green, I'm gonna use that as my inner corner highlight just because it's the most highlighty shade in the palette. I think it'll be a fun little pop. And it matches what I used on my face, so that's what I'm choosing for this look. Oh, I love that light minty green, it's so cute. My goodness, I love that. Okay, well, this is the look. I'm going to repeat this on the other eye, throw on my lashes, pick an eye pencil, throw on one of the glosses, and I'll be back when I'm complete. All right, the look is complete. I feel very pretty in this look. I feel very, I don't know, just kind of spacey. I really like it. I feel like spacey wasn't the right word. You know what I mean. But I think this came out really cute. The eye pencil I decided to pair with this is from NYX. This is the Blackberry one. I just wanted a really deep purple. My lashes are from this big Colourpop lash book. They're the wifey ones, I think. And then for my lips, my lip pencil is Sow Happy from Colourpop, and the gloss over top of it is Purity. Yes, that's the name of it, and it's so pretty. I'm so excited about these glosses. These are slippy like the Bloom and Flicker glosses that I'm obsessed with, and I'm very into this gloss. This might become one of my favorites. It's just so pretty. I can't get over it. I love that little pink shift. I love the sparkle. I'm all about it. But yeah, this is the final look. I think it came out good. I'd love to know what you think. Let me zoom you out and I'll give you my thoughts on the collection so far. Alrighty, how was the tutorial? Did you enjoy it? Do you like my look? I feel pretty cute. I really like this gloss. It's so pretty and slippy and comfortable. I can't recommend Sugarpill's slippy glosses enough. Okay, let's break everything down. The loose shadow that I tried, Mystic, it's so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. It can be a little messy to use. I had a little bit of fallout, but I just kind of let it be what it is. If you're someone who can't stand fallout, I would recommend maybe just doing your eyes first if you play with loose shadows like this, but I think it's beautiful. It was pretty easy to work with. There's just a little bit of fallout. I'm excited to play with the other shades. I'm so excited to play with Flora. Can you imagine one of my big winged looks with this featured in it? Unreal. It would be outstanding. Obviously, I didn't play with the liquid lipsticks yet, so I can't really talk about those just yet, but I have used their metallic lips in the past. They're very comfortable. They're pretty easy to use. I'm not the biggest metallic lip person. I just don't love the look of it on me, but once in a while I can get down with it. And I actually kind of vibe with the idea I mentioned earlier of having like a really dark black smoky eye with this on the lips. That could be a really fun pop of color. This gloss. I'm so excited about this gloss. I'm excited to play with the other two. I just love this formula, and this gloss is just so pretty. I could just stare at it all day. They do no wrong with these slippy, beautiful, sparkly glosses. Let's talk about the palette now. I know that's going to be the most exciting part to some of you. I like the blush a lot. If I had to rank the blushes in order of favorites, the one from the second palette, the orange one, is my favorite blush. Then probably this one, actually. Then number 1, then number 3. But the last 3 are all kind of like the same feeling. I'm just obsessed with the second one. But I thought this blush was cute. I think it looks nice. No real complaints. Obviously the green isn't a highlight, but I used it as a highlight today for my inner corner and my face, and I actually think it makes a really cute highlight, and I'm pretty pale, so if you pick up this palette and you feel like you need a green highlight in your life, maybe try this green because it's very cute. I used, I guess, 3 out of 5 of the mattes. They all seem to perform fine. I usually don't have an issue with the colors in the capsule palettes. I think they all blend really nicely. They're very soft and easy to work with. Same goes with these. I think they're really pretty, and I have to say I'm glad that there aren't any similar mattes in this palette, because in the capsule 3 there were 2 purpley shades that were kind of similar. One was a little more pinky, one was a little more purpley, but I didn't feel like both needed to be in there. I like that they're like all completely different shades in here. Obviously I didn't play with any of the other shimmers except for the minty shade, but all of the other shimmers feel very similar to the other shimmers in the other palettes, and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. They're very wet looking, very glidey, very easy to work with. I will of course be playing with the shimmers coming up when I like do my Instagram video and whatnot, but I did want to showcase one of those loose shadows in today's video. But I do think the colors in here are really pretty. We have a really cute kind of berry pink color. I'm really into this purple. This peach looks very cute. This peach and mint next to each other are a very cute color combination, let me tell you. Overall, I'm pretty content with this. I don't really have any real negatives to say. So far, so good. I'm excited to continue playing with this collection. I honestly didn't expect to be as excited about this collection as I currently feel, so that's always nice. A nice little surprise. Again, I didn't think I'd hate this collection, but I don't know. I didn't think it would spark as much joy as it is right now. I'd love to know what you think. Do you like my look? What did you think about the products I used? Are you a metallic liquid lipstick person? I'd love to know who enjoys them and how often you like to wear them. Are you interested in picking anything up? Did you already pick anything up? I want to hear all of your thoughts down below. Out of all of the capsule palettes that have come out so far, which one is your favorite? Whether you've tried them or if you just base it off pictures, I would love to hear your thoughts. I think the third one will always be my favorite, but I'm really excited about this one currently, so we'll just have to see. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me a blue or purple emoji. I feel like that fits the vibe, and if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Please make sure you're staying informed with everything that's going on in the world. There will be links in my description box that will take you to information and resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.